Okay, so this is it. Yes. All right. So who else? Watching from Rwanda. Nigena Gratien. How do you pronounce it? Sorry. Gratian. All right. And Noor Jehad Muhammad from Saudi Arabia. All right. Okay, so by the way, guys, welcome to our EdPlan 2.0 Economic Driver Plan. So we are going to talk about two things, about health and about wealth. So of course, when it comes to health, we're going to talk about the wonderful and excellent products of EdPlan 2.0. Now, let me ask you first, is health important or very important? Okay, please comment down there. Is health important or very important? So that we will know how we are going to take care of our health and enjoy our lifestyle. Okay, so I'm going to wait for your answer. So while I'm waiting for your answers, of course, I would like to present to you our wonderful company, okay, Alliance in Motion Global. What happened to my slide? Okay, so sorry for that. So let me fix first some technical issues. This is all okay. So guys, so I'm going to ask you first, is health important or very important? Okay, because we're going to talk about health and we're going to talk about the importance of health and how are we going to boost our immune system. Okay, yes, I'm already done. Okay, share my screen. There it is. Okay. Yes. So before that, while I'm waiting for your answers, yes, very important. So I'm gonna read that later on. Okay. So we would like to introduce to you our wonderful company, of course, Alliance in Motion Global. This is the mother company who shared the economy for 14 years and tested and proven system. But of course, AIM Global is nothing without this three board of directors. Our young board of directors, of course, our chief finance officer, the mentor of all mentors, Mr. Francis Miguel, our chief marketing officer, Mr. Excitement, Mr. John Aspirin, and of course, our visionary president and CEO, Dr. Ed Cabantog. So all of them, these three young men, they have this combined experience when it comes to network marketing. And they founded this AIM Global way back 2006, and we are now experiencing the economy, the share economy for 14 years with tested and proven system. And through that, for 14 years, we received so many awards and recognitions from the products, from the marketing plan. And of course, I would like to greet also Mom Michelle Go is also watching. All right, saying to me, God bless your talk, Master. All right, so God bless your talk, Master. Okay, thank you, Mom Michelle. Okay, all right. Yes, Josie. Okay, so imagine for 14 years we received so many awards, we received so many recognitions from the food supplement, from the products that we have, from the marketing plan, from the system. And what I'm so very proud with our system, because it is only Alliance in Motion Global, the only company here in Nigeria with a daily payout system. It was awarded by the International Innovation Awards last year. Could you imagine? We pay our distributors on a daily basis, a real daily basis. You can not only enjoy your encashment from Monday to Friday, but you can now enjoy from Monday to Sunday. Okay? So that is why Alliance in Motion Global is very stable. Okay, when it comes to stability, when it comes to momentum, this is the best marketing company that I'm going to share it with you guys. So for 14 years, there are a lot of testimonies. There are a lot of people changing their lives from ordinary to extraordinary millionaires, and we are still counting on that. Okay, we're looking forward for all the people here, Nigerians. Okay, that most of them are now enjoying the lifestyle that they have because of this EdPlan 2.0. Okay, so what is our products? And of course, since we are talking about health, we partnered with the world-class manufacturing companies. Of course, we have the Nature's Way, a $1 billion company a year, a pioneer in herbal medicines in the USA, good manufacturing practice certified, and of course with halal and kosher certified, which is good for our brothers, Muslim brothers and sisters, and good for our Jewish Muslim brothers and sisters. DSM, a multi-billion euro company a year, one of the largest supplier of raw ingredients of nutritionals in the world, manufacturer of Rest Vida, of course, our Restore Life, our VitaMax, okay, it's made from DSM. We also have AMS, a multi-billion yen company a year, and of course the Wader, a multi-billion-dollar company a year, the manufacturer of burnt products. So all of these manufacturing companies, they are billion-dollar, billion euro, billion yen. They partnered with Alliance in Motion Global. It means Alliance in Motion Global, or EdPlan 2.0, is also a billion peso company. Okay, it's not just only a small company but a big company. So since we are talking about health with these manufacturing companies, my question is, why is it we are easily getting sick? Okay, why people easily get sick? Okay, why? What's the reason why people easily get sick? Okay, so before again, I would like to shout out your answer a while ago because I asked you if health is important or very important. A lot of people are saying yes, it's very important. Coach Jen is saying very important. Rainer Jamaica is also saying very important. Okay, very important. Now, so since health is very important, who among you are doing exercise every day? If health is very important, yes. Oh, who among you saying, who among you are doing exercise every day if health is very important? Okay. Oh, you see, I'm waiting for your answers. But anyway, the reason why people easily get sick, it's because of the free radicals. Yes. Industrial chemicals, pesticides. Okay. What else? Alcohol, cigarette smoke. Okay. Pollution, drugs, toxic metals. What else? Radiation, which is very, very common to everyone. Okay, so we are all exposed with these free radicals. In fact, we are covered by 50 billion free radicals. We cannot avoid free radicals, but we can only manage the free radical damage inside our body. And these free radicals attacks our cells, eating the energy it produces inside, causing the cell to die or becoming abnormal that will later on result to different diseases, worse, even cancer. So these free radicals can be harmful. They are the reason why people suffer from stroke, suffer from cancer, suffer from diabetes, suffer from what else? Uh, Heart problems. So the main culprit is the free radicals. So again, we cannot avoid free radicals. We are covered by 50 billion. What we can only manage is the how we are going to minimize the free radical damage inside our body. So what could be the solution? Of course, you need to take antioxidants. You need to fill up your body full of antioxidants. So these antioxidants, of course, from the word antioxidants, antioxidant damage from our body. So where can we get antioxidants? From the fruits and from the food that we eat, fruits and vegetables. So according to the World Health Organization, they require people to eat at least 5 kinds of fruits and vegetables every day. But unfortunately, because of the budget, because of the economy, high inflation, people cannot buy right now uh, fruits with high antioxidants and vegetables because, especially like berries, they're so very expensive right now. But don't be worried. Why? Because through our manufacturing company, Nature's Way, through the company, Alliance in Motion Global EdPlan 2.0. We have the best product right now, a world-class product, 24/7 protection in our body, no other than, please help me welcome our best product, C24/7. Okay? It will protect your body 24 hours, 7 days a week from harmful diseases and prevent you from what? Free radical damage. Okay? C means cellular protection, cellular immunity, cellular energizer, cellular enhancement, cardio protection, and of course, cancer protection. So this is C24/7 round-the-clock nutrition. Okay, with 29 vitamins and minerals plus trace minerals. But before that, it is made full pack of 22,052 nutrients. Imagine 22,052 nutrients. Nutrients coming from the plants, 900% organic. Okay, with 29 vitamins and minerals and trace minerals. What is that? To boost our immune system. It also has 18 amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, okay, for muscle repair and regeneration. 14 super green foods and spirulina blend. Okay, what is the purpose of super green foods? Detoxification. We are get used to what? Full of toxins inside our body. So the super green foods can really help you to detoxify your body. What else? 12 whole fruit juice blend and 12 whole juice blend, vegetable juice blend. So it means it doesn't not only we take 5 fruits and vegetables, but we already have more than the requirement. 12 whole fruit juice blend and 12 whole vegetable juice blend. You see, you are now healthy. You want more? 12 mushrooms. Okay, what is this 12 mushrooms? Rich in polysaccharides. Okay, to prevent you from growing of tumor and what they call this, making your tumor be a what? The malignant, a cancer, or it worse. These mushrooms can also help you from what? From your help you to make your nervous system what healthy. Okay, so these are potent mushrooms, edible mushrooms. Okay, so what else do we have here? 12 herbs and specialty nutrients, good for digestion, and of course 12 herbs, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herb specialty nutrients, 10 essential fatty acids, and of course what I love in this C247 is the 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancer. These essential fatty acids good for our brain and for our heart, with omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancers, it will delay your aging process. 4 longevity polyphenols and mega resveratrol blend, they will what? Prolong your lifespan. So everything I mentioned can be found in C24/7. You see, but C24/7 cannot be given to 18 years old and below, especially to pregnant women and lactating mothers. Since because of the presence of resveratrol and anti-aging, only 18 years old and above with no bleeding, okay, who can take the C24/7. Are you following? Yes. So let's go to another products of EdPlan 2.0. Of course, our Kiddy 24/7, which is good for our kids. Okay, aging 2 years old to 12 years old with 14 vitamins and minerals and 26 fruits and vegetables. It's a mini, okay, kids version of C24/7. We have Kiddy 24/7. It has 3 flavors: orange, grape, and cherry. So we know the fact that children sometimes doesn't love to eat vegetables. So because of our Kiddy 24/7, it will make our children more healthy. Why only 2 years old to 12 years old? Because the moment the child reaches 12 years old, they can now take complete Phyto Energizer, composed of 16,000 phytonutrients, okay? All the ingredients that I mentioned in C24/7, except 5 anti-aging and 4 longevity polyphenols, we have here in complete Phyto Energizer. It means complete Phyto Energizer composed of those ingredients of C24/7 except anti-aging and longevity. Okay. Also, we have the best product, the Restore Life, which is my favorite product. Why? Because it's made of resveratrol, which promotes longer lifespan. So the main ingredient of Restore Life is resveratrol. What is the purpose of resveratrol? Of course, anti-aging, promotes longer lifespan. Of course, prevents you from diabetes. If you're diabetic right now, it will what? Normalize your blood sugar. It's also good for people who have a bad or sleeping disorder or insomnia. And it also what? Prevents you from Alzheimer's disease or worse, memory loss. You see, that is Restore Life. Made of grapeseed, red wine extract, okay, red wine powder without the alcohol content. Okay, so if you want to live more than 100 years old, take Restore Life regularly, every day. Okay, let's go to our beverage. We have the world's first alkaline coffee, the Leven coffee with complete phytoenergizer, which means our coffee is already an alkaline, good for our stomach, plus fortified with complete phytoenergizer, which means what 1/3 of complete you can find it in our Leven coffee. It means while you are drinking coffee, you are healthy. So we have 3 flavors. We have the original, cappuccino, and latte. And of course, the another variant of our Leven coffee is the sugar-free. Why we call it sugar-free? Because the sugar used is stevia, 300 times more sweeter than the sugar we use, but it has a lot of benefits and it cannot make you diabetic. In fact, it is good for diabetic person or diabetic patient. Okay, so I would like to recommend for people who want to what? For those people who are suffering from diabetes, go for Leven sugar-free. All right. So for kids, we also have My Choco. Okay, fortified with DHA plus complete phytoenergizer for memory enhancement. Okay, to boost your memory. So we also have this My Choco. And let's go to another product. Okay, we have also Cholidus, from the word cholesterol reducer, omega supreme fatty acids. If you're suffering from, what they call this? If you're suffering from high blood, hypertension, yes, heart problem, I can recommend to you Cholidus, made from fish oil with vitamin E and EPA. See, it will what? It will normalize your cholesterol. So it will eliminate the bad cholesterol and it will produce more good cholesterol. See, that is Cholidus. Now, we also have another wonderful product, the Vida Max. The main ingredient, Resvida and Fruit Flow. What is the benefit? Vasodilation and improves metabolism. Okay, so Resvida, it will what? Dilate your artery from 30 to 60%, and if you prolong to take it regularly, it will prolong to 90%. And Fruit Flow, because we know we have platelet inside our body, the blood clotting factor. So due to stress, it what? It crumpled there, right? What happened? Sometimes your blood cannot flow, and it eventually, what will happen? It will cause death because of stroke or hypertension. So because of this Fruit Flow, it will loosen up all your stress platelet. It will be normal, and it will now flow smoothly inside your blood vessels. Okay, that is Vida Max, and it's the best alternative product also if you don't have Restore Life at your home. Okay, what else are the benefits of Vida Max? Longer lifespan because of the resveratrol content. What else? Okay, if you want to slim down, Vida Max also can help you. The same with Cholidus. What else? Insomnia. What? And of course, prevents also from Alzheimer's diseases. So that is Vida Max. And for those, of course, suffering from hypertension. We also have a service, CardioPulse. Okay, this is an angiogram alternative, but monitors cardiovascular health. So all you have to do is to sit down, relax, okay, because CardioPulse will going to read your body, especially your cardiovascular system, And after 5 minutes, you will get the results from type 1 to type 7. For type 1, you will get an excellent result. It means there's no blockage, no cholesterol deposit. Type 2, it's good. Type 3, it's careful. Type 4, it's already warning. Type 5, it's already bad. Type 6, very bad. And type 7, you need to pray now. Why? Because it's high risk already. Any time of the day, at the snap of the finger, God will going to get you now. Right? Because the worst case, the worst case is the heart attack or stroke any time of the day at the snap of your finger. Sometimes people cannot wake up anymore. Okay, sometimes people while they are walking, sometimes they collapse. Okay, and during the what they call this tests in the hospital, they died due to what? Cardiac arrest. You see, that is cardiopulse. So as you can see in the picture, the comparison of healthy heart and the unhealthy heart, artery I mean. So that is why you need to take care of your heart because it beats 24 hours, 7 days a week. Okay, are you learning, guys? Yes, very important our health while we are alive. Is your heart important also? Yes, of course. Okay, please, starting right now, please take care of your heart. Right? Yes. Holidays are coming. Christmas party are everywhere. Starting by next week, all right? People were going to invite you to eat from their house. Celebration from one celebration. You see, eating what high cholesterol foods. So please take care of your heart, guys. You only have one heart. And you only have one life. Please take care of your health. Okay, we also have toothpaste. Okay, what is this natural essentials herbal toothpaste? Of course, it has complete phytoenergizer, plus 5 antibacterial, antifungal properties with bee propolis, tea tree oil, myrrh extract, piper betel extract, and aloe vera extract. The purpose is antibacterial properties and repairs the gums of the oral cavity. So imagine while you are taking your brush your teeth, while you're brushing your teeth, you are healthy because of the presence of complete phytoenergizer. Another product we have is the Burn. Yes, I'm taking Burn right now. So this is the Burn product. Body under right nutrition. The main ingredient is the Garcinia cambogia, which suppress appetite and helps increasing the body's metabolism. So the best way to take Burn Slim is 30 minutes before meal. Okay, 30 minutes before meal. And of course, please have a discipline. Okay, if you want to become sexy so easily, remember the 3 R's: right diet, right exercise, and the right discipline. A lot of people were taking Burn Slim, but when they eat rice, they are already eating almost one rice cooker. So it's still useless. So take the Burn Slim, do exercise, manage your diet, and of course, have a good discipline with your eating. Okay, so that's the Burn Slim. What else do we have here? Care Lift, a thermal relief patch. So some people, the moment they wake up, they feel this pain, back pain, what else? Neck pain, hip pain, right? So don't be worried anymore because we have this Care Lift, a thermal relief patch with nanothermal dynamics technology. You see, with 9 powerful ingredients infused in micro layers. Okay, so all natural, no side effects, just immediate soothing heat. All you have to do is to peel it off and put it somewhere in your body that you feel pain. Okay, it's good for 2 days. So we're talking about pain. Sir Jobs, how about pain in the pocket? Later on, we have solution for that. Pocket pain. The moment you reach your pocket, you don't have money there. It's very painful, right? The moment you pull out your wallet and there's no money, it's a pain pocket or pocket pain. And we have solution for that later on. Okay. Yes, another product we have is the Energy Pendant and the Eye Protect 24/7. Yes, what is this iProtect 24/7? iProtect 24/7, yes, it's a packet here. Here is a packet which contains chlorine dioxide. What is this chlorine dioxide? Emits what? Which emits chlorine dioxide that what prevents from airborne bacteria and viruses. 2 meters, okay, 2 meters. So if someone will sneeze, if someone will cough, before it will land to you, the virus and bacteria are already dead. See, it will protect you from, especially right now, this crisis, from this pandemic, from this COVID-19. So when you come out, you should wear this energy, this eye protect 24/7. And this energy, the necklace, the holder, it is what? It's made of what? Protection for electromagnetic radiation, which lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation, which we are exposed every day. From the cell phones, what else? From the gadgets that we are exposed to radiation right now. Because of the rise of the technology right now, we are exposed to radiation. So prolonged exposure will cause you what? Brain tumor or cancer. Okay, so you have dual protection right now. Protection from airborne diseases, air antivirus diseases, and of course, energy pendant. You see, we also have the newest product introducing the energy diffuser. Okay, this is stickable. All you have to do is to stick it to your gadgets, to your phones, laptops, tablets, because it's the same with energy, with the pendant. It lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation. Imagine, remember when you talk to your prospect, when you talk to your upline, to your downline, to your friends, for how many long minutes? For 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and imagine after that 20 minutes, you have feeling the burning sensation already. Why? Because of the radiation. Okay, it has clinical studies and infusion from Vital Force Technology, Oregon, USA. So stay tech savvy without risking your health. So protect yourself and your family from electro pollution. So these are all the products of Alliance in Motion Global. Wonderful and excellent. All you have to do is to use it every day, love our products, and of course, share our products. And by sharing the products, you will earn, of course, money. People want money. People want to become business right now. They want to become an entrepreneur because they know the benefit that if they have money, they can enjoy life, they can provide your family the needs and wants, and of course, you can now buy not only for yourself but for your family. All right. So my question: do we have a wonderful and excellent products of Alliance in Motion Global? Okay. If you are very proud, please comment down there. What products you really use? What is your favorite product? What products you take regularly? I take Colidus regularly. I take Burn Slim regularly, and of course, I also take Slim. This C24/7. All right. How are you guys? Fortune Bazzi, take care of your heart. Yes. I would like also to greet also some of our viewers here. MJ Credo Gregorio, also watching from Qatar. Kalut Chidebre Ada. Marilu Ramos, watching from Philippines. Ikiruki Inexhaustible. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, post jobs. Yes. So now you know how to become healthy. You know already the wonderful products of Alliance in Motion Global. This time around, I'm going to share with you the wonderful opportunity. Okay, the best marketing plan here in Nigeria, which is the Economy Driver Plan 2.0. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready to become wealthy? So we need to balance ourselves. Not only become healthy, but we need to become wealthy as well. Do you want to have a great new year? Do you want to have a great 2021? Do you want to be financially prepared in the year 2021? If you're excited, please type there, I am excited. Okay? I am a millionaire. So all you have to do is to type it down there. I am the driver. Okay, because this economy driver will what? Will lead you to your destination, to your results that you're ever wanted. So economy driver, you are the driver of your own economy. Therefore, you can create your own income in this new normal. So people are asking, why is it a lot of people joining with us, registering with us? Because as of today, I'm so very proud to tell you, we are more than 5 million distributors worldwide. Almost 12,000 plus self-made millionaires created in 14 years, expanded in more than 20 countries in Asia, Africa, Middle East, Oceania Pacific, and recently opened in US and Europe countries. And of course, I mentioned a while ago, daily payout system. So that is EdPlan 2.0. So we are motivated by our dreams, our goals, and our lifestyle. Okay? The reason why we wake up every morning is what? Of course, for our dream house, for the travels that we wanted for our family. What else? For our luxury cars and for our savings. Okay? Have you saved already for your future and invest more for business? So these are our dreams. These are our goals, and this is the lifestyle that we want to enjoy. So everything I shared it to you, these pictures, this is part of our life since we were young. But unfortunately, as we grow up, our dreams, our goals faded out because of the influences, because of the negativities. Okay, negative influence, negative surroundings, our dreams faded out. And because sometimes our budget, our money cannot what give us these dreams and goals. So, which is in fact, Robert Kiyosaki said the main reason people struggle financially because we have spent years in school but learned nothing about money. So the result is that people learn to work for money but never learn to have money work for them. That's why is it the richer becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer? It's not about the school, of course. It's because of the system. Okay, school does not teach us about money. They teach us about how to get career, how to get job. Because if school is very, what do you call this? If school is effective when it comes to teaching money, then therefore, supposedly all those people who graduated the school are now wealthy. But it's not the other way around. So we have here to learn how to learn the money work for us. Okay. So another problem here in Nigeria that people are suffering from poverty. Okay, almost 40%, almost 82 million people are now living less than $1 a day. And we talk about dollar. Imagine before the crisis, it's only $380, 380 naira. But right now, it's around 470. So last week, it was increased to 500 naira. Imagine. So how can you live right now in times of these challenges, in times of this adversity? If you're a family man with 5 kids and you're living just only less than $1 a day, what is your action on that? How are you going to be financially prepared? So imagine. So you need to do something about it, or else you will be left behind by the changes that is happening right now, because our economy has changed already. Everything has changed already. Even the price in the market is also changing. So it means if you're still doing the same thing, getting the same results, meaning you're doing the obsolete way. So if you want to get results, high income, high profit, okay, if you want to change your financial status, then you need to change. That's the only thing you need to do, change. In order for things to change, you must change also. Change your action, change your mindset, and everything will change. You see, because our economy is changed already from the old pipeline to new pipeline. Look, hotel industry, this is how it works. Hotel industry, before, only the hotel and the travel agency are earning. The travelers, no chance. But right now, because of this Airbnb, the new pipeline system, everyone can now earn through their house. Simple house with a vacant room, Plug into Airbnb. Airbnb will going to advertise to market your spare house, your spare room. Someone will going to live there, and you will now start to earn money. Transportation industry, only the drivers and operators are earning. The passengers, no chance. But because we have now the Uber, Grab, Taxify, and Bolt, that's the new pipeline system. All you have to do from your simple machine, from your simple car, just plug into Taxify or Bolt, you can now start earning. Media industry, only the TV and radio channels are earning. Media industry are earning. We, the viewers, doesn't have a chance to earn. But because in this new pipeline system right now, you can now start earning through what? Social media. Just plug into YouTube, all right? Just plug in, just plug into just plug into all right, just plug into to this YouTube, to this social media, to Facebook. You have in TikTok, YouTube, you got your 1,000 subscribers, okay, 1,000 viewers. YouTube will going to pay you, and you know, and start earning. Mobile application, telecommunication. Only the users doesn't have a chance to earn. But if you want to plug into Google, to Apple Store, right, download those apps, you can now start earning. Okay, you can make your own application, right? Retail, yeah, which is very common to everyone. Only the retail manufacturing companies, the retail stores are earning, but the consumers doesn't have a chance to earn over the retail stores and manufacturing companies. We ended up as only a consumers. Now my questions, do you want to end? Do you want to live for the rest of your life being a consumer, or do you want to be an earned consumer? What do you mean by earned consumer? While you are consuming the products, you are earning. Imagine taking your coffee, you're earning 1,000 naira per sip of coffee. All right? While you are taking your products, you are earning. While you are wearing your pendant, you are wearing. While you are taking your My Choco, drinking your My Choco, you are earning. Do you want that lifestyle? Do you want that? Who wants to be an earned consumer? Please type it down. I want to be an earned consumer. If you want to be an earned consumer, this is the right time for you to shift your liabilities to asset, your daily consumables to profit, your daily expenses to income potential, and your daily necessities to opportunities. And only here in Alliance in Motion Global, Nigeria. Okay, this is the new shared economy system. So imagine we're going to shift you from a consumer to what? To an earned consumer. Imagine your life right now. By the year 2021, starting right now, you are now earning while you are consuming your products. So if you want to be part of our program, if you want to be part of our campaign, of our business, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to earn a residual income, all you have to do is to purchase our Ed package at 44,888 naira. This is only one-time lifetime with the products worth 73,000 to 92,000 naira. Imagine, you pay 44,888, but you will get products worth 73,000 to 92,000. What else? 25% lifetime discount, business kit, free distributors tracking center, free trainings, and of course, travel incentives. So this is our package. 44,888 only, one time, lifetime. Of course, you have three choices of our products, of our package. I mean, we have the package A, package B, and of course, package C. Okay, let me share it with you. So this is it. So package A is worth 78,300 naira. Okay, worth of products. Package B at 44,888, we have 92,550 naira worth of products. And package C, products worth 73,000. Just choose what package do you want to choose. Now, since you have the products inside in the package, The first way to earn is retailing. Share the products to your neighbors, to your loved ones, and you will enjoy 25% retail profit on all products purchased. Okay? So all you have to do is to connect. Be a connector. You know someone who's suffering from diabetes. Okay? You know also someone who wants to prevent themselves from what they call this diseases. So share to them the products, the wonderful products, the excellent products of Edland 2.0, and you can now start earning 25% profit. Aside from that, from retailing, we also have 4 programs. Okay, we have the binary program, unilevel program, stair-step program, and unipay plan under our marketing plan. So let's going to discuss it one by one. So what is this binary program? Of course, under the binary program, we have the direct referral bonus. Since you join the business, all you have to do is to invite people to join with you, to share the opportunity, the benefits, and once they're going to purchase the package, just like what you did, you will earn also what? A direct referral bonus of 4,500 naira. Another person joins, you are the sponsor, another 4,500 naira. It means every time you invite people and every time you sold Ed package, you will earn 4,500 naira. Okay, so this is unlimited. So if you invite 10 people and they immediately joins you, that's 45,000 naira direct referral bonus. Okay, what else do we have here? Match sales bonus. Okay, what is this? Since we are talking about binary, all you have to do is to create left and right group. Okay, now you have left and right group. So let's say, for example, your friend A, you invite in, you put here in the left sales group. Another friend, you put him on the right group. Now you have left and right matched together. You will earn 7,000. It means once the system detects that someone joins from the left and in the right, automatically you will earn 7,000 naira. Are you following? Yes, good morning, Ma'am Rena. Good morning also to Fatma Mansul. Good morning to Sir Ariel. All right, so that is the match sales bonus. So you will receive additional bonus of 7,000 every time there's a match from left sales group to right sales group. Are you following? So guys, this is the most exciting part of the match sales bonus. Why? Because the potential income from first pair to 500 pairs, if you're going to maximize the 24 match cycle per day, so 24 times 7,000, your potential income will be what? 168,000 naira per day, 1.1 million naira per week, or 5 million naira per month. So that is the potential income if you're going to maximize the 24 match cycle per day. Now, upon upgrade, because good news for everyone, you can upgrade your match cycle from 24 to 30. So it means from first pair to 500 pairs, along the way, if you're going to upgrade to 30 match cycle times 7,000, this will now be your potential income. 210,000 per day, 1.4 million naira per week, or 6.3 million naira per month. Okay, so that will be your potential income. Now, Sir Japs, how I'm going to upgrade my match cycle? All you have to do is to buy products. Okay, with no time frame, no deadline, any combination of products. Let's say, for example, you will buy 1 box of coffee, 1 box of Colidus, 1 box of C24/7. As long as it will reach 2 personal points, automatically you will now enjoy the 30 match cycle per day times 7,000 naira. All right, and that will now be your potential income. You see, now, Sir Jobs, how about after 500 pairs? So this is it. So after 500 pairs, starting 501 pairs and beyond, you will no longer earn 7,000 match bonus. Instead, 6,500 naira, but don't be worried because we increased the match cycle from 30 to 36. So 36 match cycle times 6,500 naira, your pairing bonus will now be 234,000 naira per day potential income. Okay? What else? 1.6 million naira per week or 7 million naira per month. That will now be your potential income starting 501 pairs and beyond. Okay, so that is the binary program, and which is good, daily payout. Okay, so you can enjoy encashment. Imagine 234,000 naira you earned today, you encash it. Imagine tomorrow another 234,000. What kind of lifestyle do you have in the next 5 days? Okay, so Unilevel. Okay, let's go to another program, to the next ways to earn. So Unilevel, how are you going to earn? It will base from the product movement, product reorders of your group. So if someone used the product there, drinking coffee, drinking My Choco, taking Cito for 7, taking Restore Life, you are now earning. So how are you going to earn? First level, 10%. Second to 10th level, 5%. So that is the what? Commission. How you're going to earn in Unilevel. So if someone using products under your organization, you will earn 5% to 10%. It depends on the level in your organization. Okay, that's the Unilevel bonus. So aside from Unilevel, we also have the stair step. So upon joining, your position will be distributor. But the moment you reach 10 positional points, you will now be promoted as silver executive. And you will now start to earn 10% stair step commission, because stair step is also based from the product reorders. But the income is based on the difference in title or in rank. That's why when you reach the silver executive position, by having 10 positional points, you will enjoy the 10% stair step commission. So aside from Unilevel, now because you are silver executive, you can now start earning 10%. The moment you reach 100 positional points, you will be promoted as a gold executive. You will now start to enjoy the 20% stair step commission. And the moment you reach the 1,000 positional points, that's the time you will be called as global ambassador, and you will now start enjoying the 30% stair step commission. So what I love in stair step bonus, it has no time frame, because any time of the day, you will be promoted to silver, gold, or global ambassador. Here in Nigeria, we have a distributor here who made to become what? Gold executive in just only 18 days. And you know what? His downline were what? Were challenged, joined in November 4, and after 7 days, he became what? Gold executive too. Imagine, 7 days gold executive. Is it possible? Yes, it's very possible. Because it has no time frame. Because of the product movement. What else? No reversion and no demotion. It means if you're silver executive, gold executive, or global ambassador, and once you'll be unproductive, you will not go back anymore for being a distributor. Either you will stay there or you will go up based on your performance. Okay, what else do we have here? Another feature in EdPlan 2.0, which is the personal rebate for every personal product purchase. So who can enjoy the personal rebate? Only the silver executive, gold executive, and global ambassador only. Okay, so if you're a distributor, push yourself, buy products, share more products for you to become silver, gold, and global ambassador, for you to enjoy the personal rebate. What is this? This is what I'm saying, that you can now be a Earn Schumer, right? Imagine when you are a silver executive, you go to our regional center, you purchase Complete Phyto Energizer. Complete Phyto Energizer has 500 commissional points. Since you are silver executive, 10%. So every time you buy Complete Phyto Energizer, one retail pack, you will earn 50 naira per box on it. Imagine if you're gold executive, 100 naira, and global ambassador, 150 naira. How much more if you buy a lot of products? You see? So that is what stair-step bonus, and this is the personal rebate. Another feature, the new ranks or the prime ranks. So once you achieve the silver executive prime, you will earn additional 3% up to the second level of all your SE directs. Once you reach the gold executive prime, you will earn additional 5% up to the second level of all your GA directs. And once you promote to GA prime, you will earn 2% up to the fifth level of all your GA directs. So prime ranks is not permanent. It is monthly. You need to work on it every month. Okay. So another feature, okay, the new innovated, okay, compensation plan, introducing the UniPay plan. What is this? A distributor will enjoy commission from first level up to the 20th level following the stair-step genealogy. Okay, so it means all your directs will belong to first level. So that's it. All your directs belong to first level, and the basis is through what? Percentage assignment. So first to third, that's 5%. 4 to 8, we assign 4%. 9 to 15, 3%. 16 to 17, 4%. And 18 to 20 at 5% UniPay plan. Okay, or commission. So it means you will enjoy UPP through product reorders and packages. Who can enjoy? Even if you're a distributor, you can now start enjoying the UniPay plan. But if you're distributor, silver executive, gold executive, and global ambassador, you will only enjoy the UPP from 1st to 10th level. But how come you said up to 20th? Yes, for you to enjoy 11th to 20th level of UPP, you must be in what? Prime position. You should be SE prime, GE prime, or GA prime. Understood? All right? So that is the UniPay plan. Now, I'm almost done with my presentation. What I explained to you is what? The single account. So let me share to you the multiple accounts, because you can maximize your income potential if you can do 3 accounts, 7 accounts, or the maximum 15 accounts. So what, Sir Jobs, what is this multiple account? It's just like what? Putting up more stores, putting up more stores in a place or in other country. So this time around, all you have to do is to buy another package, make it 3, make it 7, and make it 15, so that you will maximize your income potential. So let's like for 3 accounts, for only 134,664 naira, you will get an ROI of 250,900 naira. For 7 accounts, it's only what? 314,260 naira, but the return of investment is 610,100 naira. And for 15 accounts, it's only 673,000 naira, but you will what? Earn a return of investment of 1.3 million naira. So where can you find a business with only 680,000 naira? You can put up already a worldwide business. All you need is a phone and what? An internet. And you can now start your worldwide business. You don't need to worry about your operational expenses, salary of your staff, rental of the office, what else, the shipment, legalities, because everything is already included in 680,000 naira. Imagine, you already have the office, you already have the products, you already have the salary of the employment, you already have employees for you, you already have people who are going to ship your products for you. So imagine, where can you find? Only here in our company, the EdPlan 2.0. So if you're going to have a multiple accounts, so this is the potential income. Imagine, in 24 match cycle times 7,000, if you're 3 account holder, your potential income will be 504,000 naira per day, or 15.1 million naira per month. 7 accounts, 1.1 million naira per day, or 35.2 million naira per month. For 15 accounts, it's 2.5 million naira per day, or 75.6 million naira per month. So that is for the 12-12 cycle or 24 match cycle at 7,000 naira. Now, if you're going to upgrade 30 match cycle times 7,000 times 3 accounts, imagine 630,000 naira per day or 18.9 million naira per month. 7 accounts, that's 1.4 million naira per day or 44.1 million naira per month. And for 15 accounts, it's 3.1 million naira per day or 94.5 million naira per month. And now, you are now experiencing the 6,500 naira times 36 match cycle per day times 3 accounts, 702,000 naira per day potential income or 21 million naira per week, per month. 7 accounts, it's 1.6 million naira per day or 49.1 million naira per month. And for 15 accounts, 3.5 million naira per day or 105.3 million naira per month. So this is the potential income. Okay, you can start one account, add more accounts to become 3, to become 7, or to become 15. So that you will enjoy the match bonus, the direct referral bonus, all of it. So this is your potential income. So what are you thinking? What is your decision right now? What is your thinking right now? All right, don't think about it anymore. All right, decide right now if you're going to become successful. If you want to become financially stable, decide to join in our platform. All you have to do is to plug in. All you have to do is to what? Deposit your money to our affiliated banks. We have the Zenith, Fidelity, Access, and EcoBank. So this is the right time for you to join our business. Again, we don't accept cash, only bank deposit, online transfer, and POS swipe. So this is our payment method. So when are you going to be financially prepared? When are you going to change your life? Everyone has a choice, right? We are free to choose whatever we want to choose. But be careful on the consequences of your choices. All right? Be careful because everything has a consequences. If you want to stay poor, you are correct. If you want to become rich, you are also correct. So no one wants to get wrong. Okay? So what are you waiting for? Change your life, change your financial status, be financially prepared by joining this Economy Driver Plan 2.0. We have the best vehicle, we have the best products, we have the best marketing plan. Of course, what we lack here is the driver. You should be the one to drive our system because we are going to guarantee you that the moment you join in our business and the moment you do it seriously, I'm sure you will reach your destination and you will get your dreams, your goals, and your lifestyle. All right? Yes. So thank you so much to all our viewers, our leaders, our economy drivers. It's a wonderful presentation, Sir Jobs. Yes, more power. Thank you, Ma'am Mojisola. Okay. And also to all our viewers here, Olochi DK, Coach Jen Discarton, thank you for the virtual club. Congrats. Thank you, Ma'am Jofen Balsomo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. Also, Annie John, thank you so much. Yes. Pawe. Susan, thank you so also. All right. So it's time for you to what? I almost forgot. You need to follow up. You need to follow up your prospects, follow up your people who wants to join with you. Yes, thank you, Ma'am Rena. How's your night? Ma'am Edna Villarin, thank you also. Yes. And of course, before I forget, R2S enrollees on Monday, right? We have on our third session, okay, on third episode, we have the persuasive presentation